it's you. Hopeless little knucklehead. She said you, huh? Like I already told Sucker. It's over. Just leave me alone. Look at you. What's with the angry face? Why should you care what I do? It's my concern, not yours. I have my own path to follow now, and neither you nor anyone else can steer me from it. I will tell you this much. My days of playing ninja with you kids at the Leaf Village are done. Well, wasn't that nice of them? If I'd stayed with comrades like you, I'd never have gotten this far. Now I'm going to where Orochimaru is. Are you out of your mind? Orochimaru killed the final target, take everything you in the start. Wherever it is that you're second from him, you think he's gonna use the fight? All he wants to see is your body like an instant bird. There'll be nothing of you left. You'll never get out of there alive. You think I'll stand by and just let you throw away your dynamite? None of that matters now. The only thing that matters to me is achieving my goal. If you insist on getting in my way, well, then it can't be helped. Well, if you aren't going to listen to reason, then I'll do this by force if I have to. I remember you laughing the last time we met. Remember how thrilled you were at the thought of being me to a bloody pulp? What's wrong? Where's your smile now? That was different! Media, felt that way at first. But you were different then! I never really wanted that kind of fight. Even now, I still don't. I couldn't care less what she wants.